You truly believe that the FDA, the FTC, the AMA, they're really trying to hide this information from the American public, and it's all because of the money?
Hundreds of billions to trillions of dollars are at stake. They make more money than the United States government does. Think about it, my God. And as a result, 75% of all political contributions come from the drug industry.
Sure.
Almost 90% of all those people involved in the AMA, FTC end up with multi-million-dollar pensions in the drug industry. And every year they withdraw 25 drugs because those drugs are killing people. So in the last 40 years, there's been 1,000 drugs that kill people that have been withdrawn from the market. How did they get on the market in the first place? And the answer is all drugs are automatically pre-approved because the FDA, the AMA are owned by the drug industry. No drug has ever cured a degenerative disease. However, these scientists are saying God's nutrients do. The AMA, the FDA, FTC are all working in conjunction with the drug industry to suppress this information.
Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Jensen, and if you're a patient, your doctor, your clinic, your hospital, we can all get paid more if we make you sicker. And I think you need to understand that. This patient's on Medicare. His insurance company will get paid more by Medicare if this patient is seen as more sick. If a clinic can hit a certain threshold level of patients taking a certain kind of vaccine, they get paid a chunk of money for each one. If we can call you diabetic based on some parameters, even if we're not treating you with the medication or didn't really do anything for you, if we can call you diabetic and we do a test called an A1C. Now, if we do an A1C and we get a 6.8 reading, that allows us to call you diabetic, even if we don't do anything for you. And when a person has diabetes, generally a doctor or a clinic will get a good mark if they can keep that person's A1C less than 7.5, sometimes less than 8, sometimes less than 7. But if you can call someone a diabetic with an A1C of 6.8, you don't have to do anything. You just get to put them down as a diabetic, and they'll count as a good patient for you because you've gotten their A1C to less than 7 or 7.5. So all of a sudden, you've got this bizarre incentive to call as many of your patients as possible as diabetics.